let me show you how to hard reset and wipe all data on your Samsung Galaxy S11 and also S11 Ultra. So first, if you basically have access to your tablet, you can also literally go in the settings and click general management, and you see you have this reset option over here. If you click reset all settings, so if you click this, basically everything will get wiped from your tablet and it will be new. But also let me show you how to reset it from the bootloader. For example, maybe your tablet is actually locked and you can't gain access to it. We can also reset it other way. So essentially what we are going to do is we are simply going to grab our cables that we use to charge our tablets as well. And also we need a computer or laptop where to plug it in. So again, it has to be a computer or laptop, otherwise it won't work. So you see then I'm simply inserting it inside, and next what I have to do is I have to actually restart this tablet. And so the way I'm going to do is I'm going to basically hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. And once you see that it shuts down, I'm going to jump to holding the power and volume up to access the bootloader. So you see, so the power and volume down. Keep holding this. It takes maybe like 10 seconds to shut it down. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, so and jump to holding the power and volume up at this stage. And once you see the Samsung logo, release. So you see we are able to actually get, so not sure why it's like this, but you see you have the bootloader now here. So and then basically using the volume up and down, basically you can click, for example, wipe date factory reset, select with the power button. So again, mine is Hong Kong version. So you'll see basically in English here that basically you have to actually go down here one further with the volume switch, and again confirm basically that you want to do that. And once you do that, obviously everything will get wiped from your tablet, and it will essentially be like a brand new tablet. Also, if you had basically a security on this tablet, so again, if you were doing this to bypass the security, in the setup screen, it will actually ask for your Google account login. So the email address that you used on this tablet previously, and log in into that account essentially. So to confirm that you are actually the owner of this tablet. Anyway, good luck.